Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix if Samsung can't receiving text messages on Samsung A37. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, open quick settings panel, so just swipe down and click on this power icon. After click on this power icon, click on restart. Again click on restart. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so check your internet connection. Internet connection is not working properly, so move from your area. After change area, you will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on software update. Click on download and install. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, so click on settings app, scroll down and click on general management and click on reset. After click on reset mobile network settings. After click on reset mobile network settings, click on reset settings, enter phone pin, click on continue and click on reset. After click on reset, you will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix if Samsung can't receiving text messages on Samsung A37. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.